What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's been a long hot minute, hasn't it? It's been what, 3 months, 2 years and 18 freaking minutes or whatever. Basically what we've been doing is saving some money to buy this van. And we're going to be converting it into another cottage home, aren't we, mister? Yes, we are, Dad. So stay tuned and welcome to the series. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. So as you can see by the centre of the front of the vehicle, it's a Mercedes Benz. We got a 2015 Sprinter 316 CDI, which basically means the 3 is the weight, so it's 3 tons. It's around about 2.8 tons, and the 16 is the power, so it's 160 horsepower, and I think that's top of the range, which is great. So we've basically got a van which is lightweight and very powerful, which is perfect for a van build. This is the inside of the van. It's a high roof, long wheelbase, which basically just means it's high and it's long, which is perfect for our van build. It was an ex-window fitting company, so the inside's pretty good. We got a roof rack on the top, which I'm guessing they held their glass on. So it's all ready to go. We're going to tear up the floor, give it a good clean on the inside, and then get building. Welcome to the office. Here's where we've been doing the big master plan of what we're going to do with the van. We basically just wanted it to be just a little tiny home, obviously. We wanted a full shower, toilet area, so we've got a little toilet in here, just some storage area in the shower, and then around here in the middle will just be the kitchen. So we're going to have a gas cooktop and a sink in the maybe a sink in the corner. I don't know where it belongs yet, but that's the idea. We're going to have a fridge somewhere in this section, and then up here we'll have 2 little steps. They're going to be storage, and then here it's going to be a mirror, which will be more storage, and then around here will be a bed, probably a double bed, I reckon, and then we'll have a little desk here with a window on the side, and that is our final plan after about 5,000 plans. I think we got there in the end. So that's the van, and that was the plan. Stay tuned for this epic camper van build. It's going to be a cottage themed van. It's all going to be nice woodwork. So next episode we're going to be gutting this whole thing, spraying it down, making it all shiny and nice. We'll see you next video.